Jamaica, watch this.
Near Jamaica's coastline.
Optimism among Jamaicans after Wednesday's announcement by United Oil and Gas that the company has identified evidence of an active petroleum system offshore within the Walton Morant licensed offshore Jamaica. The announcement follows geochemical analysis of seabed samples with indications of thermogenic hydrocarbons and estimates pointing to billions of barrels in prospective resources. The findings could have major implications for investment, energy security and economic growth. Energy Minister Darrell Vaz says while he welcomes the news, he is urging caution as he says the recent tests merely detected traces of oil and gas, but further tests are needed before any conclusion.
While I welcome the positive news coming out of the exploration results, I'm cautiously optimistic going forward because that was just to see if there was traces of oil and gas. We will not know definitively until such time as we drill a well, which will require the company, United Oil and Gas, to raise between 60 and 70 million US dollars through partnerships with big oil companies to drill a well. The results of that will be the most telling and conclusive. So again, positive news, but I urge Jamaicans to be cautious and not get their expectations up as yet.